Living in Canada and starting your investing journey, there are two important accounts you should know about: TFSA and RRSP. TFSA is tax free savings account. Despite the name, it's not just for savings. You can hold investments like stocks, ETFs, and GICs inside a TFSA. The biggest benefit is that your investments can grow tax free and withdrawals are also tax free. Next is RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan. RRSP is mainly designed for retirement. Contributions may help reduce your taxable income, but when you withdraw money, it is generally taxed as income. Choosing between TFSA and RRSP depends on your financial goals and situations. Understanding these accounts is an important first step before investing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and follow along for more beginner friendly investing tips.